Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the language in the InShot app step by step. So if your InShot app is showing a language you don't understand, or you simply want to switch it to your preferred language, don't worry. This video will help you fix it in just a few seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store or Play Store on your phone and search for InShot. Make sure your app is fully updated to the latest version. If you see an update button, go ahead and update it first, because sometimes the language option only appears in the latest version. Once the app is updated, open the InShot app. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, scroll down a little and find the option called Language. Tap on it, and now you will see a list of different languages available. Simply select your preferred language from the list, and the app will instantly switch to that language. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in the InShot app. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.